Hello guys, I'm James from Homeseller, and today I am in this place which is at 467 Segar Road. So I'm here today to actually go for a listing presentation for a HDB 4-room flat, and the size of the 4-room flat is actually 990 square feet. Alright, so this part of the Segar Road, right, is actually tucked at one corner of the entire Bukit Panjang. Alright, so even though it is tucked at one corner, there are still some amenities, like for example the usual supermarket, and they actually have quite a large park nearby for anyone who wishes to go jogging or a brisk walk to keep yourself healthy. Alright, so let me just show you from another screen the surrounding of this place. Okay, so I'm actually at the block void deck itself. So as you can see, there are some rundown paint over here, but actually this part is actually well painted, so I suspect that they're actually going through repainting work ongoing now. Okay, repainting work is going on right now. So even the car park, right, so I believe they're going through some repainting work lah. Okay, even here as well, yeah, going through some repainting work. So overall, this is actually quite a quiet neighborhood surrounding all. You see, actually this part is actually well painted already, so it looks very well. So I believe once it is done, right, this whole place actually will look quite okay one. So why I am doing this special video is because, first of all, this area is actually tucked at one corner. And during my course of my work, I realized something that I probably feel that is good to highlight over here. That is, I realized that any unit that is at the edge of the estate itself, it tends to have some challenges in selling. So I did a few times, and thankfully I was able to overcome the challenge and sell the house. So today I have took up this listing, and then let's see how fast I can sell this house. Alright, so in Homeseller, we help HDB homeowner to sell your house for 1,999, condo for 4,999, and landed for 9,999. Alright, so do share and like, and also check out our Google review and follow us for more interesting content. Okay, bye bye.